Welcome to Impro Washroom Systems. We're a little bit obsessed, but in a totally good way. Like obsessed with your success. And our team of washroom experts will help you make a splash with renewable and stylish washroom solutions. We know that success depends on the right people and the right products. Because you just don't need the job done, you need it done right. We've been dedicated to delivering expertise and innovative solutions to protect buildings since 1979. This commitment inspired us to expand and introduce this essential division. It's when we realized the impact building interiors had on people within them. The idea that creating an experience leaves an impression. That's why we custom manufacture your solid surface shower bases, walls, partitions, and washroom accessories in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, so you can tailor a modern, sleek experience inside your building. We've covered some of the finest projects around the world, from industry-leading hospitals to top universities and more. And while crafting washroom solutions that blend aesthetics and durability for comfort and efficiency is crucial, helping you ensure ADA compliance while offering custom drain locations for easier installation and delivering top-notch service, well, that's the real end game. And we wouldn't have it any other way. Because how you feel inside and how the people within your building feel inside, that's what matters. Experience the difference. Make a difference inside. Welcome to Impro Washroom Systems.